Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhaskar, and I'm the founder and CEO of WeInvest, and we claim to be the first digital wealth as a service provider. But we'll come to that a bit later. In November 2016, at the same forum in Finovate, we unveiled the first part of our digital wealth platform, Track Wealth, which is automated account aggregation as a service, and Grow Wealth, which is robo advisory as a service. We were primarily focused on the mass market and emerging affluent segments, got tremendous feedback, and have onboarded 4 clients in the last 10 months across banks, brokerages, and asset managers. Today, we're going to focus on the affluent and high net worth segment and enabling their relationship managers and investment advisors to service them better. Today's relationship manager is obviously riddled with a number of challenges. Growing his book on one hand and client servicing on the other, with a number of systems, manual processes, product and compliance limitations to constrain him. So productivity and growing that has become key to growth. Welcome to Advice Wealth, the WeInvest RM Advisory Workbench, which enables the RM and the investment advisor to do a number of things. It could be to understand his business, understand client portfolios and performance, going through portfolio planning and optimization, goal-based investment journeys, profiling the clients in a lot more detail and generating investment ideas and proposals for them, overseeing execution progress, and collaborating with clients. Now that's a handful, isn't it? So let's try and see what we can do the best in the next 6 minutes. An RM could go down into any client segments and understand the client's portfolio with much more comprehensive analytics, not just across performance, but also across exposure to currencies, regions, sectors. He could then effectively go into what we call portfolio planning and organize the client's existing portfolio into core and satellite portfolios to looking at the client's long-term or short-term needs. For the first time, an RM is forced to go into a goal-based approach or goal-based journey with clients. He could also set up multiple portfolios, which are goal-based, to enable the client to meet his medium-term and long-term needs. Apart from this, the RM could also do annual reviews or quarterly reviews, comparing the current portfolio of the client with model portfolios in-house. And obviously, based on the performance and the right advisory decision, initiate a rebalance. Hence, advisory becomes a more regulated or a streamlined process. And as part of the whole process, overseeing execution and settlement and coordinating with internal teams becomes key. And that is enabled very easily because our API-driven platform connects not only with the institutional backend, but with multiple brokers and custodians to automate this process largely. Profiling the client obviously becomes a lot more important now because it's not just about risk profiling, but also their preferences across strategies, across asset classes, their return expectations, geographies, sector, and currency preferences. And it's visually engaging, which then enables an RM to generate a number of investment ideas across multiple product types. They could be passive asset allocation portfolios, they could be actively managed quant strategies, they could be thematic baskets, they could be standalone products like funds or bonds. And effectively going into any of them gives him a much more visually engaging format of going through a product fact sheet or a portfolio fact sheet, enabling the RM to make the sale. With a click of a button and a two-factor authentication initiated at the client's end, the order management process gets initiated and gets handled through our straight-through infrastructure. One big area of focus has been alerts and managing client portfolios. And the RM could get a number of notifications on client portfolio performance, on market notifications, enabling him to focus on the key clients where action is needed. Scheduling of an RM's activities has also been an area of focus, and we enable that with a number of different widgets. He could potentially see his top portfolio client gainers, whom he wants to switch out. He could see clients with maximum cash and liquidity available, or clients who have not been focusing or coming online to review their portfolios and therefore address their needs. The RM could also introduce new prospects through a simple and comprehensive investment journey which includes a number of different steps. It could start with setting up his financial goals, going through a risk profiling, coming up with a couple of investment ideas and options. It could then involve also collating all his documents or information relating to customer onboarding. And then, based on a whole set of digital execution process, finish the execution process. This also includes auto-populating of forms required by the compliance teams and other onboarding requirements. And the whole process becomes not only much more easier and less time consuming, but a delightful experience. So welcome to your digitally powered relationship manager, which enables him to service clients better with a much more organized approach, with an increased product set, and with an efficient and easy-to-use tool. We've been kind of working on this product over the last 8-10 months, and along with the robo advisory service and the automated account aggregation service, we now have a comprehensive digital wealth platform, which enables clients to service multiple segments with multiple advisory or discretionary models, multiple asset classes, multiple brokers and custodians being part of the whole mix, and delivered through an innovative business model, which we call the platform as a service model. Combining great technology, which is what we have, we also offer operational support. We offer strategies from multiple strategy providers, not just us, infrastructure on AWS, and execution and custody providers with some of the best in the world. Delivered within 3 to 6 months, we effectively charge based on AUM-based operational expenses, and hence, you have the first digital wealth as a service provider. We've been expanding in 5 countries and running implementations in Southeast Asia and are excited about coming on here. Come and visit us. Thank you.